I went to Author Nation 2025 to ask successful authors the keys to their success in 2-minute lightning round sessions. Fortunately, it didn't take long for me to run into award-winning fantasy author Jessica Deen Norris. Here's what she had to say.
I'm Jessica Deen Norris. I write young adult epic fantasy, and I have 3 books, and I've been doing this for about 4 years.
What made you start writing?
I have been reading since forever, and started writing, I don't know, in like 6th grade, and just haven't stopped since then.
What did you learn faster by doing than studying?
Publishing, honestly, just jumping in and just doing it. So.
One thing you wish you knew before publishing?
That the number of books doesn't really matter. That you can jump in there and if you've got a good product, you can still sell it.
What are the habits that keep you moving forward?
I am up every single morning and usually already thinking about my business and having that quiet time to work. So,
best advice you acted on?
To probably write to market and cover design. That was the first thing that I did, was made sure that I had an excellent cover that would sell the book.
What was the worst advice you got?
That I needed to have way more than just 3 books out to make money, because that is absolutely not true. I make quite a bit of money from just 3 books.
What scares you most as an author?
Stagnation, not keeping up with the changing market and everything. Like, I feel like we have to keep up.
What excites you most?
I actually am excited about all the things that are constantly changing, and I think it would be boring if it wasn't. So,
one tool you rely on?
One tool I rely on, Notion. I use Notion for my whole brain.
What do you do when motivation drops?
I figure out why and I fix it and I move on.
Describe your writing style, 3 words.
Fast-paced, adventurous, and exciting.
What do authors overthink the most?
Their marketing.
Fastest way you reset creativity?
I usually have to leave the house and go somewhere different.
Nice. Your time is up, but I'm going to give you one last question. What is one belief you proved by taking action instead of only thinking about it?
That I could be a published author, because I thought that I was going to have to ask permission from the traditional publishers to make that happen, and I decided not to ask and to just do it instead.
Grab access to the Author Nation 2025 replay with over 90 presentations, expert interviews, and strategy sessions from top names in the publishing industry when you visit dalelinks.com/AuthorNationReplay. And don't miss out on what Author Nation has in store for November 2026 when you grab a ticket at dalelinks.com/AuthorNation.